Hi, I am Jessica. Welcome to my travel channel.
Today, I am so excited to take you on a walking tour of the best beaches and streets of Lisbon, Portugal. The city is known for its picturesque streets, vibrant nightlife, and stunning beaches. And I'm going to show you all of that in 4 Kelvin resolution. Before we get started, please hit the like button to show your support for this video. And don't forget to leave a comment below and subscribe to my channel for more travel videos like this one. Okay, let's begin our tour of Lisbon.
If you want to see the hottest video cuts from my walks, subscribe to my Patreon. Link below.
We'll start off by exploring some of the city's most iconic streets, such as the Rua Augusta, which is lined with cafes, restaurants, and shops. You'll get a sense of the bustling energy of the city as we make our way towards the Praia do Comércio, a beautiful square overlooking the Tagus River. From there, we'll head to some of the most stunning beaches in the area. First up is Praia do Guincho, a gorgeous beach with huge waves that make it perfect for surfing. It's definitely a must-visit spot for surfers and beach lovers alike. Next, we'll head to the Praia de Carcavelos, one of the largest and most popular beaches in Lisbon. I hope you enjoyed this video as much as I enjoyed creating it. Please don't forget to hit the like button and leave a comment below to let me know what you thought of this video. And, of course, make sure to subscribe to my channel for more travel content in the future.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to my channel and like this video. See you in the next one. Bye.